In today's video, we're going to take a pile of this and turn it in a cute little wine caddy holder because, I don't know, I guess you just never know when you're going to need a glass of wine. All right, all of these are cut to a width of 4 inches, with the exception of the 2 bars that will go on the side, cut at 2 inches. I'm going to cut 2 at 14, 1 at 12 for the base, and 2 at 4.5. All right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to measure down 5 inches. I'm going to measure in 1.5 inches on each side. And then I'm going to draw a line from here to here. That's going to give it that taper look. All right, now that we got these marked out, we'll go cut them on the miter saw. All right, so here's this nifty little tool. Honestly, I don't even know what it's called. We'll just call it an angle finder. How about that? All right, so flush against the top. Move it to match up with the line you drew. Move it back there a little bit, okay? And then it's going to tell you what the angle is. So here, pointing 15 degrees. That's where it's at. So we're going to throw that miter saw into 15 degrees, make the cut, and we'll see if it's correct. Okay, I used a 1/4 bit to drill a hole about 1 inch from the top on both of those. That's where our cord carrying handle is going to go through. I'm just going to use what I got on hand, and I got this 1/8 inch, what is this? Grass cord that I got from Lowe's. Why did I get grass cord? I don't know, but we're going to use this because, you know, the best to use what you got, the cheaper the better, right? These are just fun projects we're making for fun. So, all right, I'm going to fill what I need to with the wood filler, and then we're going to get it sanded and start assembling. All right, everything's sanded up. I'm going to mark in from the side at 3 1/4. This is going to give us enough room for our wine glass. Of course, if you have extra large wine glasses for whatever, you know, adjust as necessary, but it fits the ones that we have. Lines are going to be essentially the outside line of where we're going to put the main supports, which leaves enough room for the wine bottle to fit in the middle. Put a bead of glue, hold and throw in your brad nails. If you wanted to do this with Kreg screws, you certainly could. You have this on, it's going to make it a pain to kind of get in here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to stain the inside parts. I'm just going to ensure that this stays. You see from staining it, one of them might have pushed in a little bit, and you just want to make sure that the distance at the base is going to meet. It's going to be the same as the distance at the top. Once again, doo-doo, use your filler. Let's get these nail holes filled up. Quick sand, and then we'll get it all stained. All right, all done with the staining, just 2 steps left. We're gonna put on a light coat of clear coat or spray lacquer if you have it. And then we're gonna put on this, this grass cord and for our carrying handle. And we will be completed with this project. So normally with the Varathane stain, you just have to wait an hour for it to dry and you're clear to start spraying on your finish. All right, we're all dry for the most part with our clear coat. And now we are going to put on this grass cord. What I'll do is I'll feed it through and then we'll tie a double knot. I think that's what we're going to do. Obviously the point is you're making the knot big enough where it won't go through the hole. All right. And there we are. I'll just go tromping down the street with my new wine holder because you never know. Just gonna head down the street. Never know when I might need a glass of wine. Glass of wine, anybody? Just your mobile glass of wine carrier. My wife will be so happy. Now she can drink wine anywhere.